Well, hello. What's that sound outside? Oh, it's spring. Spring 2019. Hi, this is Jack Moselle, Eclipse Window Film, LLC. As you can see, these are 8-foot sliding doors. Privacy is one of the benefits of installing solar control window films. My floors were bleached, not so much anymore. Great sun control, great comfort, great privacy. With the nano ceramic material built into this film, you actually reflect heat back into the house. Incredible story. Call, email, text, let me know what your thoughts are. Right now, until the end of April 2019, Eclipse Window Film is running a special. I'll install window film on your patio doors for $350. I'll come by, set the appointment. We'll be done within an hour. You'll have instant gratification. But wait a minute, it's too dark. I can't see outside. My lovely camera assistant will show you what the view is. Perfect ocular clarity. Even at nighttime, you can see outside very well. So I want to thank you for your time. Jack Moselle, Eclipse Window Film, LLC. www.eclipsewindowfilmllc.com, 914-260-5678. Thank you very much. Happy spring.